These are the 5 skills that I'm going to learn or improve in the next 2 years to make more money. And I believe you will also get benefit from this list because these are going to be evergreen skills in the future. Let me reveal all these 5 skills and why I feel these 5 skills are evergreen skills. First in the list is prompt engineering. Nowadays, like whatever the job post that you see from big tech companies or startups, if you can see like 3 out of 6 job posts, like you will see skills such as ChatGPT or any other AI tool, because companies are now expecting knowledge of at least one AI related tool, and companies are expecting you to be a good prompt engineer. This is very essential and this is going to be mandatory in the coming days, and that is the reason why I thought of improving myself in this specific skill. I have started learning prompt engineering from more than a year. I have also wrote a book on prompt engineering on how you can write good on decent prompts. See, I have done a huge work on prompt engineering, but still I believe there is a scope for improvement because the AI tools are coming every single day. New AI tools are coming every single day, and there is a need to play with them to get best out of them. So this is one of the most important skill according to me. So I'm trying to improve my prompt engineering skill because I want to make money from this skill. See, because of this skill I'm saving a lot of time in my work already, and I'm designing thumbnails using AI tools, and I'm writing many of the copies or outlines using AI tools. And because of prompt engineering, I'm reducing a lot of manual work and automating most of the things every single day. So I believe it's already helping me to make money, but still I want to focus more on it and I want to make the best out of it. So prompt engineering is my number one skill. And number two, creative writing. Recently, I have experimented by asking ChatGPT and other AI tools an ad copy for one of the advertisement that I'm doing. So it's an ad copy, like you need to promote that ad using some text or using some lines. But I never get a human touch from any of those AI tools. I tried almost all the AI tools like ChatGPT, Bard, Gemini, but I feel like there is something that should be there even when AI tools are rising, and that is creative writing, and that can be possible only by humans. So with AI dominating most of the content these days, if you're someone who can write creative lines or creative copies or creative blogs, you will be having more demand in the future. So if you are someone who is creative in writing, then you will always be having a more demand, and I'm trying to improve myself in creative writing. I love writing in general. Whatever, like whenever I get a time, I will always write stuff on social media or through blogs, or even in my work I will always put my hands somewhere or the other in writing. I strongly believe that creative writers are always going to be in demand. This is going to be one of the important skill, and creative writing is my second skill. And number three, time management. This is very underrated and underspoken skill according to me. Reason, because like we are living in a hustle bustle culture, like everything is important for us. Like there is no scope of missing out on something because we are living in a FOMO era, fear of missing out something or the other. Whenever we see something on social media, we always feel we need to learn or we need to explore. Otherwise, like we feel like we are out of the competition because people are living their life in such a way, and because of the social media, the FOMO feeling for an individual, average individual, increased a lot. It is very essential to have time management skills. If you fail to manage your time, you are going downwards in your career. So that is the reason why you should know how to manage your time efficiently and effectively. The reason is simple, like whatever you want to achieve, whatever you want to do in your career, if you are a good time manager, then ultimately things will go in your way. It's like you're doing a job, or you are studying currently and you want to learn in high paying skill. So you should know like how to manage your job or education, so that you will get some time to learn a skill. Or you have a side hustle, you want to make money from that, but you should know how to manage your time so that you will make money. Otherwise you can't, right? You will never. Similarly, like you want to make videos like me, but you're working or you're studying, how to do that? You need to know how to manage your time. See, there are many things that are involved in time management. I have already made a separate dedicated video on how I manage my time and how you can manage your time as well. Please go and watch it. I highly recommend watching it because without time management there is nothing that you are going to achieve. So this is my number three. And number four, creative design. Of course, design is an important skill these days, because without graphic design, there is nothing that we can see or nothing that we can click these days. It might be advertisement, it might be social media post. A good design will always make us feel good. So if you are a good designer, sky is the limit for you in terms of opportunities, especially in this AI era where there are many AI tools out there. Still, you should know how to make the most out of those AI tools to get the best design. If you can see, like, I create all my thumbnails, almost all my thumbnails, using AI tools. But still, if I just randomly ask AI tools to give me a thumbnail, I won't get these kind of thumbnails. I need to be creative, I should be creative. So I'm learning and I'm improving my design skill every single day, so that I will make money from this skill, or I will get more opportunities through this skill. So creative design is my number 4. And number 5 and last skill is storytelling. Storytelling is very important, because whether you are watching a video, whether you are reading a post, whether you are reading a blog, whatever it might be, without a good story, we will never read that post, right? If it's random post without any story, without any build up, it's difficult for us to get attention. So that is the reason why storytelling is very important. If you're telling a good story, whatever it might be, storytelling is not just about telling stories, but telling anything in the form of a story. It might be video, it might be a blog, it might be a social media post, it might be a design. See, whatever it might be, if you're telling it in the form of a story in the sense, like, it has something that people easily get attention into, people want to spend their time into. So that is the power of storytelling. If you're telling a proper story, then ultimately people will listen to you, because the attention span is decreasing every single day. It is important for us to tell good stories so that our content reaches people. So that is the reason why I'm focusing more on improving my storytelling skills. I feel like this is also very important, not only as a creator but as an individual, to succeed in the coming 2 years or 3 years or whatever. So I believe storytelling is essential. So these are all the 5 skills that I am learning or improving every single day to make more money or more opportunities in the coming 2 years, because I believe these 5 skills are going to change a lot and going to create an impact in every individual lives. So make sure you're good at least one of these skills, because these are going to be evergreen, as I said earlier. Thank you for watching. If you feel anyone else would benefit from this video, please share this video in your network. Also, if you are a new visitor to my channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you will get more career and personality development related content. Thank you for watching.